ค่ะสวัสดีค่ะ Hello
สวัสดีค่ะ
Okay so it's quite early right
Yeah.
Okay so my name is Nacha and welcome everyone to visit our project today and today I would like to present the information about Sapphire project yes to you all Okay we're gonna start now So the Sapphire, the location is on Rama 3 Road, which is quite convenient because from our project, only 15 minutes from the project to Sathorn. Sathorn is CBD in Bangkok. Yes. Yeah, the CBD in Bangkok. Sathorn Silom.
We pass on us this morning.
Yes, and this is the previous project of the JRY Group. The JRY Group is the developer of the project. Yes, they're selling a lot of projects, like a house, condominium, low-rise and high-rise. Yes, the information about the project is 3 rai. The land area of this project is around 3 rai and 1 ngan and 71 square wa. So it's quite big. And the project detail is high-rise condo, only one building and 44 floors. Yes, we have 1,658 units for the whole building. So only one floor, we have the maximum unit, only 18 units per floor. So it's quite privacy and good for the residential to live in here because it's not crowded.
For your information, land area is 5,600 square meters. So half a hectare.
And the project, we are ready to move in. The Sapphire is quite new. We just ready to move in around 1 year. Yes, so it's a new project. And right now we have some of residential, they are living here already. Yes, but we also have some units still available for you.
By now.
The starting price, we start from 3.4 million Thailand.
Wow.
Yes, for one bedroom. For one bedroom.
How big is the bedroom?
34 square meter.
100,000 US dollar only. By now.
By now. Very cheap, very cheap.
$100,000?
Cannot stay cheap like
100,000
value for money.
100,000 US dollar.
Very cut.
เขาเด็ดด้วย
Credit card amount just only for reservation. Yes, because you're foreigner, so need to do an activity. Yes, need to find the money.
Foreigners can own condo.
Pardon?
Foreigners can own condo.
Foreigner can own condo. Yes, you can. Yes, but if a house like single house with a land cannot. Yes, you have to have a company. Yes, yes, yes. But for condominium, it's okay because the quota for foreigner is 49%. Yes, and for Thai people, 51%. Yes. Okay, and the next one, I will explain you about the information about the map of the project. Sapphire is here on Rama 3 Road, and then as I told you, from our project to Sathorn area, Sathorn Silom, only 15 minutes. Yes, and for the transport, in the future, we're gonna have the BTS. The BTS will connect from Green Line. Green Line is Sukhumvit Line along to Silom, Sathorn, and going to Icon Siam. Yes, will connect from this line to our condo.
Sorry, since a large number of our colleagues here came from Russia, Myanmar.
Myanmar.
So,
Mingalabat?
Oh,
she look like Myanmar.
Yes.
Maybe when you speak for a while, let him translate briefly.
Oh, sure.
So you can
Yes.
start now.
So I will explain and then stop and then let you translate. Alright, perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna start about the map of the project. So our project is here on Rama 3 Road, and from our project to Sathorn area, spend only 15 minutes to the CBD.
그 프로젝트가 사촌에 라마트리가 시바래. 그 사촌과 CBD areaမှာရှိတာဒီ Sapphire CBD area မှာရှိတဲ့အတွက်အချက်ချာလည်းကြပါတယ်။ စာချုံးနဲ့စီကောင်တို့က CBD area ပါ
come a bit closer. Yes, yes. Yes. And then in the future, we're gonna have the BTS line connect from green line. The green line is come from Siam Paragon, Sukhumvit Road along to Silom. Yes, will connect to Sapphire.
အခြားဒီအခြားခုလာမဲ့ဟိုဒါပြမှာဆိုရင်ကျွန်တော်တို့ဒီစဖိုင်းကဟိုဟာစစ်လောတော့ဆီယမ်ဖရီကိုတော့ဆီယမ်ဖရီကိုတီကိုအမှန်တကယ်ကျထားတဲ့အသိဖတ်တော့ပါဒီပါနော်
And also surrounding of the Sapphire condo, they also have the landmark, a lot of landmark, like when foreigner visit to Thailand, and then they quite enjoy to visit the place like Icon Siam, yes, and King Mahanakor, the high-rise building, the highest one in Bangkok, and also they can enjoy the area like Aso, along Sukhumvit Road, yes. So it's quite convenient.
So ဒီစဖိုင်းပေးနာမှာရှိတာCM icon နောက်တစ်ခုကကြတော့မဟာနခေါဆိုတာဒီလိုဟိုဟာlogo လို့သတ်တဲ့အဆောက်အဦအပေါ်တက်ကိုသွားလို့လည်းရပါတယ်ခင်ဗျာအဲ့မှာလည်းအဲ့ဒီနာအချက်ဒီနားလေးမှာချက်ချပေါ်နေတာလည်းတော့အဲ့ဒါဖြစ်တယ်ဆိုကျွန်တော်တို့ကနေ့ကသွားခဲ့တယ်ဟိုဟာ icon CS ဆိုတာတက်စီတာပေါ့ PC ရဲ့ပုံအဲ့ဒါနဲ့အဲ့ဒါနဲ့ဆိုတော့အချက်ချရဲကြပါခင်ဗျာ
And also nearby, our condos also have the international school. Yes, quite famous in Bangkok. Yes, we have like Sarasat International School, King College International School, and also Shiburi International School. So starting from 3 kilometers to 6 kilometers.
ဒီနားမှာလည်းတစ်ခုရှိတာက international school ပေါ့ international 3ကျောင်းနာမည်ကြီးတဲ့3ကျောင်းရှိပါတယ်ခင်ဗျာအဲ့နာမည်ကြီး3ကျောင်းကို3 kilometer ပဲထားပါတယ်ဒီနားလေးဟုတ်ကဲ့
Yes, also nearby we're gonna have the hospital. It's quite famous in Bangkok, like the high class. We also have like Med Park Hospital, only 6 kilometers from our project. Yes, and St. Louis and BHN Hospital.
ကျွန်တော်ဒီနားမှာဆိုရင် Med Park Hospital ရဲ့ St. Louis Hospital ရဲ့နောက်တစ်ခုကကျတော့ PLA Hospital ရဲ့ဝေးပြီးဆုံးရှိပါတယ်ဒီနားလေးဒီနားမှာရှိတာပေါ့နော်အဲ့ဆိုအချက်ချာလေးကြပါတယ်စေးရုံနဲ့ပြီးတော့
For the shopping center nearby here also quite a lot. Like Asia Tea, I think some of you already visit already. Yes, Asia Tea, Terminal 21, Central Rama 3, and Icon Siam.
နောက်တစ်ခုကကျတော့ Central Rama 3ဆိုတာအခုမှနောက်ပိုင်းဖွင့်လိုက်တာပါ။ Terminal 21ကတော့အကြီးဆုံးတော့ပါပါတယ်။ Shopping Center ကသူကအရှိတ်ပဲဆက်လိုက်တာဆိုတော့နောက်တစ်ခုကကျတော့ Asia Tea River Front အဲ့ဒါကဟိုကဘုံကြီးသွားခဲ့တဲ့ဟိုဟာ KL site ကဟိုကချက်ပါရှိပါတယ်ဗျာ။နောက်တစ်ခုကကျတော့ Icon Siam ကျွန်တော်သွားခဲ့အဲ့ဒါနဲ့ချက်တယ်ဒါဒီနားလိုက်မှာရှိတာပေါ့နော်။အဲ့တော့ဆက်တယ်ဖြစ်တော့ဆက်တယ်ပဲအရင်သွားမှာသွားလို့လည်းအဆင်ပြေပါတယ်။
Okay, and this is the facility of our project on 41 floor. 41st floor, we have sky pool and also sky lounge, which is we are here, and also sky library.
ကျွန်တော်တို့ရောက်နေတဲ့ track ကတော့ sky view ပေါ့နော်ခုနကအောက်မှာဆိုရင် sky view ရှိတယ် infinity view ပေါ့နောက်တစ်ခု sky lounge မှာဆိုရင် တွေ့နေပါတယ်မှာထားလို့ရတယ်ဒီနောက်တစ်ခု sky library ကအစားကြည့်တယ်စာကြည့်ကြရရှိပါတယ်
Yes, and this is we also have the gym, the fitness, and for the family they have a small kid. You can enjoy like kids club and also boxing area.
Boxing.
Muay Thai.
နောက်တစ်ခုကကျတော့ sky ရဲ့ gym ပေါ့နော် gym တော့တိပါပါတယ် gym ရရှိပါတယ်နောက်တစ်ခုကျတော့ kid ကလေးတွေဒီသားစုတွေအတွက်ဟိုပါပေါ့ပျော်ရွှင်ဖို့အတွက်လည်းကလေးတွေအတွက်ခုနကလေးတူရှိပါတယ်နောက်တစ်ခုကကျတော့ boxing area Muay Thai ပေါ့နော် Thai boxing
Speak longer than her.
And this is the floor plan. The floor plan that we the residential we start from second floor to 44th floor. And our facilities start from 7th floor. On 7th floor, we also have like the golf putting green area, and also golf simulator.
ဆယ်ဖလောမှာကျတော့ golf ဖြေယူနေ golf simulator flat ရှိပါတယ်